So today I'm going to talk a little bit about macro photography. And macro photography is perhaps the thing that I like to shoot the most. Now, the nice thing about macro photography is that you can do it any place. You can do it in your backyard. You don't have to travel great distances like a landscape photographer always has to travel. But a macro photographer can do everything in his backyard if they want. For example, right here, I'm on a hillside that's probably 20 feet from the road, and I can sit here all day long photographing. Now, the main thing about macro photography is being comfortable because you're going to be on the ground a lot. I like to wear knee pads because it's easier on my knees when I sit down. I like to wear these type of gloves that have padding on the hands, so when I put my hands down, I'm not sticking into any kind of stickers or anything that might be in the ground, especially in the desert. You never know if you have cactus on the ground or little shards of cactus down there. Your equipment is important, but being comfortable out here in the field is really the thing, because once you get out here, you'll get up and there's all kinds of macro subjects here. There's all kinds of flowers. I'm mainly looking for insects today, and once you get situated and you start looking around, you'll find that you'll find one bug here, and next thing that'll lead to another one here and another one there, and then before you know it, you can't believe that there's so many things that are living in just one little space. So it's a matter of being comfortable on the ground, relaxing, and just taking your time and working the field over. So you can see this field here is pretty populated with some poppies that are just starting to bloom. We have plenty of insects out here. It's still early, so they're all just starting to wake up, and I'm catching them as they're rising to the top of the flowers and stuff. So that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the morning here.